it's Stacy. I'm back after 10 years. It's been a while. Today I'm trying on some really fun, really bright contacts. Hot pink, which is not found in nature. A bright purple, a bright blue. The EyeCandys Powerglow in this super cute box. What I'm excited about for these contacts is you put them in, you can just walk outside. People are, they see you, they're gonna do a double take. It's gonna be a conversation starter. I live in Austin, Texas. I wanna make more friends, go on some dates. I can just wear these super bright contacts, go out in public. I don't even have to start conversations with people. I'm actually pretty shy. A lot of you guys may be shy. If you just wear this, it's a super good conversation starter where people are gonna do a double take. They're probably gonna think you're more attractive because all of a sudden you look exotic with your pink eyes or bright blue eyes. Make you look way hotter, way more attractive, and you don't even have to talk to people to start conversation. They'll start it with you. It's gonna be really fun to try these out in Austin. Oh, and these are so cute. It comes with your lens cases and everything because these are reusable for 3 months each, I believe. It comes with extra lens cases, a cute little lens case you can bring. You can put your lenses inside to protect them so they don't leak. You've got your lubricant eye drops. So cute. Excited to try these. Let's see what we look like. My eyes are hazel. They're a brown green color, so if you have brown or green eyes, you'll be able to see what it will look like over your eye color. My eyes are right here. Let's see what these look like. Here is the bright blue in my right eye, nothing in my left eye. It's a blue-green, kind of like a turquoise, as compared to, you can see light emerald green in this eye, my natural eye. It really adds a dark limbal ring as well, which helps signal youth because when you're younger you have a darker limbal ring. You can also see a little ring of my natural eye color popping through underneath there, and then the pupil as well. Both the green are in. It reminds me of an exotic ocean. Your eyes feel very bright and deep. It looks like a cartoon character with the dark limbal ring. Here they are close up. Here's what they look like without the bright ring light shining on them. They're still fairly bright, but they look more like a deep ocean. Not quite as bright without the ring light. Really bright onto them, but here they are up close. Here is the Powerglow pink lens in my right eye. I have both the pink contacts in. I feel like an anime cartoon character, or like people would look at me and think I'm a fortune teller or hold all these depths inside of me. It looks like this could be my actual eye color, but it makes me look like I am someone special, like a fortune teller or an anime character, and I feel like I'm a cartoon character. They're very exotic looking. I think they're fun because it makes you feel like you can be a different person. Purple in my right eye, nothing in my left eye. Purple contacts in both eyes. They're very exotic. Here's a close-up. The purple contacts without the ring light shining in, so you can see what they look like in a little bit more natural lighting. We tried all the lenses. I still have the purple in. I think my favorite are the turquoise blue-green color. These two have their own exotic flair. All these kind of feel like an anime character. I'll have the super dark limbal ring. Your pupil size doesn't really change, and you can see a little bit of your eye color in each one. I think the purple are the most exotic. I think the pink make you look like a fortune teller or give you the most interesting depth. And the turquoise blue are the brightest, stand out the most. Fun to try, all super bright. I will see you guys in 10 years. Kidding. I did see you 10 years later this time, but we'll try to make it a little bit closer next time.